Today's session discuss 11th standard chemistry IUPAC of organic compounds alkynes in hydrocarbon. Hydrogen plus carbon based in alkyne functional group. Alkynes formula carbon n times hydrogen 2n minus 2. Some students write that wrong method carbon n time equally and hydrogen 2n equally. This is a wrong. Next, carbon to carbon triple bond is a alkynes. Any one carbon atom present carbon to carbon attached triple bond. Carbon bond order 4. That carbon discussed 1 2 3 4. 4 bond order. That carbon discuss the bond between 1 2 3 4 bond. N equal to 1. Formula alkyne CnH2n minus 2 is the downside. Right downside you will be right 2n minus 2, not equal to right of 2n. So apply with the 1. Not possible. Carbon possibles of carbon to carbon triple bond 2 carbon possible, so n equal to 2. Apply n equal to 2. H2 n the position of 2 substitute minus 2. Next C2 H4 minus 2. C2 H2 in the alkynes value. So carbon 2 times already known IUPAC of 2 times eth. Carbon to carbon triple bond formula apply. So ine eth. Structural formula short form used is the SF. 2 carbon first will be right, and carbon to carbon triple bond, carbon to carbon triple bond, and that carbon equal to 4. That carbon equal to 4. Attach with the 2 hydrogen atom 1 1. The short form, the bond between CH triple bond CH is the short form. So molecular formula C2H2, structural formula CH triple bond CH. And next n equal to 3. C3H2 into 3 minus 2. C3H6 minus 2. C3H4. So in these positions of 3 carbon atom first you will be write it. This is one of the first carbon. The before the session student mistake, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. The first possibles of triple bond also here. Second possibles are second carbon atom. So 2 possibles of isomerism. So students like that the isomerism, what is meant by the same molecular formula, different structural formula. This is the same molecular formula, different structure. Any one of the carbon to carbon bond is triple bond. That is the 1 2 3. So 2 possibilities of triple bond possibles. That molecule expand to the structural formula, first carbon atom attached. So you will be the IUPAC right to left. So first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So right to left, first carbon present in the third triple bond. But here first carbon, second carbon present in the triple bond. So now the IUPAC already triple bond of the first carbon, so balance one hydrogen directly enter. Here already that carbon, second carbon 1 2 3, here after 1 4, so no present in the hydrogen atom. Here only one bond, so 3 hydrogen enter. So total every hydrogen single bond, so total 3 hydrogen, 3 covalent bond, and next one bond is the 4. So that here of the possible same opposite isomers, here after 1 2 3, here first carbon atom only one single bond, so 3 hydrogens, so total 3 hydrogen, 3 covalent bond, single bond, 1 4 single bond covalent in the carbon atom. So here second carbon atom same 1 2 3 4 bond present, do not enter the hydrogen atom. Here third carbon 3 bonded here, so only one hydrogen possible. So IUPAC name is, this is one 3 carbon probe hyphen used, and next which carbon present in the triple bond mentioned. So first carbon present in the triple bond, so probe 1, and the triple bond IUPAC name is used as ine, one ine, that's all. And that IUPAC compound name is called second carbon triple bond present. So probe also same, and second carbon mentioned the triple bond and ine. So another method, short 2 probe ine. So this is a probe 1 ine, this is a probe 2 ine or 2 propine. So two possibles. So the two compounds the same C3H4, same molecular formula. Here the C3H4 same molecular formula, but different structure is called isomerism. Different structure, different positions of bond, so physical and chemical properties in vary in the life, natural life in the hydrocarbon atom. Next N equal to 4, N equal to 4. So first of all you will be the right CnH2n minus 2, ine formula, alkyne, so carbon to carbon, triple bond already known, imagined. So C4H4, 2 into 4 minus 2, C4H8 minus 2, so C4H6 is a molecular formula. So C4 already, C4 is a 4 is a bute, carbon 4 times bute, and formula is apply ine, triple bond formula, so butene is a common name. But so possibilities of 3 isomers, so 3 isomers entered. First of all 4 carbon 1 2 3 4 carbon enter. So positions of first carbon, so only triple bond, first carbon only triple bond, so first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. Next possible 1 2 3 4 carbon atom, triple bond where is present, the second carbon atom. And next possible 1 2 3 4 carbon, possibles of third carbon atom, third carbon atom. So first carbon atom, the first isomers carbon, first carbon triple bond also present, so other carbon single bond. So here the first carbon 3 bond also here, so carbon bond are 4, so balance one bond of single bond of hydrogen atom. second carbon atom 4 bond also present, 1 2 3 4 bond present, do not enter the second carbon atom hydrogen atom. So third carbon atom one bond, another one bond also here, so 2 hydrogen atom present. The fourth carbon atom only single covalent bond, so bond order 4, so balance 3 hydrogen atoms also here. So IUPAC name 4 carbon but 1, first carbon atom triple bond 1 and ine, so are 1 butane. And next others also single bond here, the first carbon single bond present, so total 3 hydrogen present, 3 plus single bond 4, bond order 4. Here also 1 2 3 4 do not enter of the hydrogen atom. Here third carbon 1 2 3 4 do not enter of the hydrogen atom. So fourth carbon, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon only single covalent bond, hydrogen atom is a 3 plus 1 bond is a total 4. So IUPAC name 4 carbon but, second carbon positions of triple bond and ine, clear. And last one of the isomers possible, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon only possible, fourth carbon. So others also single bond, so first carbon only one single bond, so 3 hydrogen atom present, 3 hydrogen atom present. And second carbon atom 1 2 bond also here, so 2 hydrogen atom plus 2 single bond, add total 4. So third carbon atom 1 2 3 4 bond, so do not enter the hydrogen atom. Fourth carbon triple bond also here, so balance 1 hydrogen atom, so but 3 ine. So commonly used of the name is called N. So total whole isomers commonly used, I do not know, only structural formulas are right, but IUPAC name do not know. For 10th standard book, N-butane, N-butane. The next one you will be work out for N equal to 5, N equal to 5. So N equal to 5, CnH2n minus 2 and ine formula, and triple bond carbon to carbon triple bond, imagine, and C5H2n into 5 and 2, so C5H10 minus 2, C5H8. So how many possibles of isomer? 4 possibles, and IUPAC name is this is a molecular formula, is IUPAC name 5 carbon pent ine, and commonly used N. What is the N? How many number of triple bond present of the carbon atom mentioned is a perfect IUPAC name. So first 5 carbon 1 2 3 4 5, next possible 1 2 3 4 5, next 1 2 3 4 5, next 1 2 3 4 5. So possibles of triple bond where is present? First carbon atom, this is the first, second, third, 4 5. Next possible second carbon atom triple bond, third carbon atom, this is a third carbon, last present fourth carbon atom possible. So 4 isomers possibles. So already known, easily enter of the your hydrogen atom, single bond is a hydrogen 3, so double bond also hydrogen 2, so double bond here hydrogen 2, so 4 bond 1 2 3 4 do not enter hydrogen atom, so 3 triple bond only 1 hydrogen atom, so easy enter single bond, this is a hydrogen atom 3, 2 single bond, so balance 2, 4 bond do not enter, 4 bond do not enter, CH3. Next easily enter with the speed, so CH3. Next 2 single bond, CH2, 4 bond, 4 bond, and next CH3. Next all are single bond, CH3, CH2, CH2, valence CH. So carbon, every possible isomers, carbon present in 5 times, hydrogen present in 8 times. So different positions of triple bond, different physical and chemical properties in with nature is called isomerism. And functional isomerism, to positions of triple bond variation, position isomerism. And IUPAC name already known. 5 also pent is common. Here 5 also pent is common. Here 5 carbon pent is common. Here pent is common. So with the triple bond here, you will be work out for number atom. So where triple bond, first carbon atom mention first. This is second carbon atom, third carbon atom, fourth carbon atom. Here after finishing, so first carbon atom why mention ion, second carbon ion, third carbon ion, fourth carbon ion. So pent 1 ion or 1 pentyne, pent 2 ion, pent 3 ion, pent 4 ion, 1 2 3 4 carbon triple bond here, pent 4 ion. So you will be work out n equal to 6 and possible isomers, and homework for n equal to 6, n equal to 7 you will be work out. So most of students will be write the possible isomers is how many possible isomers and how will be possibles of alkynes will be in the depth. So today workout for homework, n equal to 6 and n equal to 7 apply to the alkyne formula. So different positions aptitude, first enter to the carbon atom and positions of mentioned the triple bond variation color, and we will be discussed deeply next class. Thank you to all.